Hello and welcome to Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy. My name is Dr. Catherine Constant and I'm the author of the books Lady Wisdom Speaks and Lady Wisdom Gives a Party. Well, today I just wanted to share with you my Christmas tree. I think that it's what Christmas is all about. It's about hope. Peace on earth, goodwill towards men, and that we can go into the next year with hope. Yes, so this just reminds us that Jesus came to earth and he came to give life and to give hope. Yes, I've been decorating the house and doing different projects. And one of the things that I've done is worked on my Christmas tree. And so here it is. I put it together and I'm going to show you some pictures and how and what. And so come with me on my little journey of putting together and celebrating my Christmas tree. I am right now working on decorating this beautiful tree. And I love its form. I love its shape. And it is so beautiful. I just have been working on the topper, creating this little bow thing here on the top. And I think it looks good. I still have all of these ornaments to put on the tree, and I think I'm going to stick with gold and red. And I just bought these beautiful ornaments, and then I have some bowls. Most of the ornaments are from the Dollar Tree, because I think they're just so pretty. I have some ornaments that I've collected over the years, that have from my children. But these I think are a little bit more sophisticated looking. I like them. Wow, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I put the tree together. And I think I'm satisfied with it. I may add some more lights, maybe some white lights, clear lights. But I feel very satisfied with the tree, how it came out. It looks to me very pretty. And I used a lot of the ornaments from the Dollar Tree. I just found them to be so pretty. I like the shimmer, the glimmer, the glamorous look. I think this one is one of my favorite ornaments. I think that's very beautiful. And then I put my bow together. Now I added these snowflakes, and I think the white just added some more difference, and just gave it a nice glow. Now this ornament, Hope, I bought this and I really like it. I think that it's what Christmas is all about. It's about hope. Peace on earth, goodwill towards men, and that we can go into the next year with hope. Yes, so this just reminds us that Jesus came to earth and he came to give life and to give hope. I like these angels. Now, these angels here made with lace and also a clothespin. This is probably a good 25 years old, because it was made at school when I first started teaching. We made these little ornaments for the trees with the kids. And I loved it so much that I saved them. And now they're on my tree to remind me of the past. So this is what the tree looks like. And then I created my faux mantle. I've been playing around with it a bit. But this is my angel. It's the topper, but I don't particularly want her as a topper. I would prefer that she rests here and overlook everything. And then I got these candles from QVC, and it smells really, really fresh, nice. And I could light the lanterns. I think I just wanted a simple look because of all of the color that we have on the tree. Let me put on the candles. Now doesn't that look spectacular? I think it just looks sweet. Because this is the season of lights. And I just wanted the lights to be in the house. I've been so used to the outdoors and the sun and everything. So just to have the extra light in the house to add that joy. So that's what this is all about. Have a Merry Christmas.
Christmas is a time of giving and receiving. The best gift to earth is Jesus' birth. Little Christmas tree, shine your light on me. You gave me a reason for living, sweet peace within. The wise men came from the east to worship him. They brought him gifts, gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Yes, Prince of Peace, a wonderful counselor. Merry Christmas to you. Prince of Peace, a wonderful counselor. Merry Christmas to you. La la la, la 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 la. Merry Christmas to you. La la la, la 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 la. Merry Christmas to you. La la la, la 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 la. La la la, la la la.
Well, if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Have you started to put together your Christmas tree? What are your Christmas holiday traditions? How do you celebrate the holidays? And if you don't celebrate Christmas, do you celebrate Hanukkah or Kwanzaa? Or do you just fellowship and come together as a family during this time and this season? Well, let me know. Comment down below. Let me know. Well, I hope you like my tree and have a wonderful season. Let joy fill your heart. Let joy fill your world with beautiful things. Because that's what Proverbs says. That's what wisdom is all about. It's about creating beauty in your world. Because this is the time of lights. This is a time of peace. And you decorate, and when you create different wonderful meals and you fellowship with your family members, that is what Christmas is all about. So have a wonderful season, have a wonderful time with your family and friends. And see you next time on Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy. Oh, by the way, Lady Wisdom says that you are wonderful, you're beautiful, you're God's gift to the world. So go on out there and shine and let the world know that Jesus Christ is Lord. And see you next time on Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy. Bye. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.